this video, I'm going to show you how to easily set up your HiDow, the do's and don'ts, questions that you might have about this thing, and how this thing actually works. I'm going to explain that and show you how to use the AcuBelt or the foot stim pad if you want that as well, so you can get the most out of this HiDow. First off, what is this? Well, it actually uses TENS and EMS. TENS is basically a pain relief electronic nerve stimulation, while EMS is basically the thing that contracts your muscles so that we can actually maximize blood flow and recover the fastest possible. A lot of common questions people have about this thing are how many times you can actually use it per day. You can use it 1 to 3 times per muscle per day. There's actually 6 different channels, so you can have 6 different of these things going at once. I'll show you how to use them in a moment. You can use it every day. You should use it for about 20 to 45 minutes max. It will automatically cut off after 45 minutes. I recommend using it for 20 minutes personally as an elite triathlete. Can you work out in this? Yes, you can, but you can't do something vigorous like running or biking in this. You can lift weights in this, however. Can you use this after a workout? Yes, that's actually one of the most common times to use this. And is this a replacement for recovery? Definitely not. Sleep, nutrition, and of course simple movements are by far a lot better than this, but this is just an aid to benefit all of that to gain the most from your recovery. But how we can actually use this thing is when you take it out of the box, you can see it comes with a remote and 2 wireless receivers. If you want to buy up to 6 wireless receivers, I'll drop a link in the description because you can use this on multiple muscles at once, as I'll show you in this video. But we just want to take these out of the box to start. But you can see in the box it comes with a charger, which you can charge the receivers with just on the bottom like this, or the wireless remote just on the top like so. Now, you don't need to charge these more than every few days, depending on how much you're trying to use them. It will come with a bunch of sticky pads, which last on average 20 to 40 uses. You're going to have to buy new sticky pads every so often, which I'll drop a link for in the description, but I'll also tell you how you can retain these so you don't have to buy new ones very often. And finally in the box, we'll get extensions. Even though this is wireless, sometimes you're going to need to reach further for certain muscles if you want to use one of the receivers to hit multiple parts of one muscle. Once everything's out of the box, you want to make sure it's fully charged. It should come fully charged if it's brand new. You can know just by holding on this for about 2 seconds, just like this, and doing so for the remote just with the top button like this. Hold for about 2 seconds and it will turn on or turn off if you hold it again. You can use this or any of the other extensions, which I'll show you later in this video, on any part of your body, but in this case I'm going to demonstrate how to use this on the top of my foot and the ankle because that's been hurting me recently. For starters, you're going to want to choose the sticky pad that best fits the area of the muscle that you're actually trying to put it on. In this case, I'm trying to get the entire top of my foot, so I'm going to put it on the top, something like this, using this one rather than a small one or super large one that obviously doesn't fit on my entire foot. And I'm also going to use one of these small ones and just put on near my ankle because that's an isolated section that's been bugging me recently. Now that we've chosen our 2 pads, it doesn't matter which pads you're using. You can use bigger ones if you're targeting your chest muscles or if you're targeting your back, or maybe you're trying to put it on your neck or forehead. You might want to use a smaller one, but it doesn't matter which 2 you're using. Just get 2 and you're good to go. And then you're going to want to pick up receiver number 1, or you can use number 2. It does not matter which one you actually use. And you're going to simply want to grab one of these extension cords and flip this over to the back and simply plug this into the side like so. Next, you want to grab one of your pads. We obviously haven't stuck it down yet, and simply put this on the pad like so. You want to make sure it clips in. If we're seeing a screw like this is currently out, you cannot use this thing. It simply will not allow you to send electrical currents to your bodies because it actually reads them before it works without having another extension connected. So that's why we're using this one like so. You can use the cable, or you can just simply put this thing down like this. I'm just going to put it down like so. And now that we've got these connected, you want to take off the plastic. Just keep the plastic, put it off to the side because we can use these up to 20 to 40 times, and just put it on the part of your body that's actually hurting. For best practices, you really want to clean your skin before using these, and if the pads actually start to dry up, you can always put a drop of water on them to make them last longer. And of course, buy more pads after about 20 to 40 uses, which is a lot, which I'll link in the description below if you want to use them. But next, we want to simply turn on our remote. Just hold down the top power button and hold down this power button to actually turn this on. Once it's on, you simply want to set it to channel 1. You can see channel 1 is the one that I'm using, and you simply want to click on the intensity and increase it like so. How you can use this channel is I'll put an image on the screen of all of the different settings and modes, but some of my favorites are acupuncture. You can do the spa option like down here, meditation, or just yin yang, which basically simulates one side and then stops and then does that, etc. You can go up to 12 intensity on this mode. You want it to feel effective but not painful. You can already see that my foot is contracting with the muscles due to EMS. If you're trying to use multiple of these at once, you can always use the second one just by setting it up the exact same way. In this case, if I want to use this on my back, I'm going to use this bigger sticky pad and put this on system like this. Then again, you simply want to turn this on just by holding for about 2 seconds and then put this on the other side of your body. Again, you just want to take off the plastic from the back and then put this wherever you're desiring. This time I'm going to go for my calf. You can put this literally anywhere on your body, of course, but just put it on, turn this on once it is on, and then use your remote to change the channel. This is now channel 2. And then you can set the mode and set the intensity like this. And you should start to feel it immediately, assuming it's properly on your body. Okay, this is intense. Okay, I feel it. I feel it. It's not painful, but it's intense. Now that's on our body, you can use it for about 20 minutes. 45 minutes is the max. It'll automatically turn off after 45 minutes. And you can use it on the same muscle 3 times per day. Personally, I just use it about once per day after hard, vigorous sections. And you can use this while you're lifting weights, but you cannot use it while you're running or cycling, which are a little bit too intense for this. I definitely recommend experimenting with the modes depending on what you're trying to go for. I'm a big fan of acupuncture, as I said. Once you're done, it's important that you turn this off before you take it off your body. You can just hold down on the power light to turn it off and carefully take it off your skin and take your plastic right here and put it back onto the plastic so you can actually reuse it. As you can see, there are a ton of different extensions you can use so you can hit different muscles on your body. I'll link all of these in the description as well as extra pads if you'd like to buy them. There's foot stim pads, which basically you put down while you're watching TV, hook up to the receiver, and then put the receiver on the foot pads like this. Then you'll be able to turn on the receiver and put your hands, or you can put your feet down on this. Set the channel and it'll activate when both of your hands or both of your feet are actually on this. There's the AcuBelt, which you can put around your quads, put around your waist, or even your back, which basically looks like a belt. How you can use this is it's pretty weird to use at first, but you want to take this belt portion, and you can see where here we got this Velcro belt, and you want to simply strap this on to the belt, and then put this on whatever you're trying to put it on. There's no sticky pads, so you don't have to replace or buy any replacements for this thing, which is really, really nice. Wrap it around nice and tight so that it velcros once again, and add your receiver on the inside. This belt is expandable, so you can put it on the front of your chest as well, and just turn it around and put it on your back. It goes all the way around and then simply velcros like this. And again, always use the remote to control it. And finally, there's the sticky pads, which again, like I've said multiple times, last about 20 to 40 uses, and you can put anywhere on your body just by using the receivers and putting them on these. But that's pretty much all you need to do about your ProTouch 612 HiDow EMS. It's really, really helpful, and I love using this after hard workouts. But always, again, do not forget the basics of recovery, sleep, nutrition, and just basic movements. This is not a replacement, but an addition. And again, I've linked all of these accessories in the description. I get a small affiliate, but I'm a big fan of the belt or the foot pads, which you can always use just while watching TV. And I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and peace out. Have a great day.